Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar has found support around that 17.90 level on Friday. And from there, the market is looking now towards that minor resistance at 71.35. That could progress on further to 71.75, and with the 60-day moving average holding around 72.50, 70 area. In light of the pattern, though, keep an eye on this RSI, because if it does rebound further and breaking through the midway point, would also support the bullish comeback. The euro, however, is a little bit on the wobbly side due to the outside range day and the rejection from that 107.85 area. Looking into tonight, all eyes on the US CPI number for May. Now, if we do see a weaker number, that could actually see the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, reject the 103 area and tumble, and therefore could put an initial rebounding for euro back towards 106.60 to 107 to 107.85, where it rejected. However, keeping an eye on this pattern, it is weak, and if we do eventually see a stronger number from tonight's release, then we could see the US dollar rally further from 103.25 and on to 104. And this will put initial downside pressure on the euro and look down towards the 105 region. Dollar yen, well, with the hanging man coming through, is now seeing a little bit of weakness. And from that weakness may continue on if we get a break at 133.55, which isn't too far away. If we see that break, then that would initiate a move down to 132.40 as a potential target, where I've outlined just around this region here, and reassess from there. Sterling also holding up above that key level, that is at 124.15 to 65. And while we continue to witness this level holding, and along with that showing initial demand, I do anticipate the bulls will eventually take the challenge back towards that 126 area. As eyes look to next week, the Bank of England is anticipated of raising its interest rates by around 50 basis points. Now, the meeting's on the 16th of June, so let's see if the pound can continue, that is, its recent bullish upward trek. Sterling Kiwi backing away very hard, as you can see here, as the market backs away from that 196. And with this heavy candle coming into play, could see further weakness down towards the region of 192, which I do see as in favour, given that the recent upside trek did turn into quite a negative or bearish outcome. Gold, well, the market's still trading sideways or in the middle of the range between 1,825 to 1,878. However, with a weaker technical play here, could see them move back to the bottom side of the range and reassess. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market did back away from that 121.25.80 level and currently remains somewhat weak. Now we see a further move to the downside. We do need to see a break at 115.40.55 to initiate a move down towards the 109 region. But we do need confirmation from the technicals, which isn't quite there as of yet. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and also have a great start to the new weekend.